trip, let's start to explore. Multiplication opens the door. Groups of numbers, watch them grow. It's magic math, we're in the know. Multiply, oh can't you see? It's just adding up quickly. 2 times 2 is 4, hooray! Let's multiply every day. Oh, 3 groups of 5, that's 15. Counting fast, it's a mathy dream. 4 times 4 makes 16 squares. It's like solving puzzles everywhere. Multiply, oh can't you see? It's just adding up quickly. 3 times 3 is 9, hooray! Let's multiply every day. Oh, rows and columns side by side. Arrays make math a joyful ride. Skip, count high, skip, count low. Multiplying's the way to go. 5 times 6 is 30 bright stars. Math will take us near and far. 7 times 2 is 14. Oh wow, you're a math genius now. Multiply, oh can't you see? It's just adding up quickly. 5 times 5 is 25. Hooray, let's multiply every day. So let's sing and learn some more. Math adventures we adore. Multiplication, hip hooray, it makes us smarter every day.